turn to page A5.1, right here, of the Shaw Place condominium set. And we'll take a look at each of the details on here. I want you to ignore, for the time being, details 1 and 2. Those are for a different staircase. We're going to focus first on details 3 and 4, which are a plan view of the staircase, and then 5, 6, and 7, which are section views. Let me show you how these drawings are related to each other. Here in the plan view, you see this symbol right here that says 5, A5.1. It is a cut along this line, and the arrow points this way. So we are in detail 5, we are cutting along this line and looking in this direction. And you look over here at detail 5, and that's what you'll see. Over here, in the plan view at the bottom of the stairs, it shows detail 7, A5.1. So we're cutting through in this direction and looking this way. So looking down at detail 7, that's what you see here. Here are plan views of a staircase. These are two separate details, but they're aligned. Here is the bottom of the stair where you would step up from the ground floor, step up 1, 2, 3 stairs. And here's the top of the stair where you could step from the staircase onto the landing or onto the second floor. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this detail here. So what you're looking at, this is the wall section next to it. This is the handrail right here. These are the steps. And the way that they've drawn these, the solid line is the edge of the nosing, and that dashed line or hidden line back there is the edge of the riser. So there's a 1-inch nosing on these treads. How wide are the treads? They give the dimension here. They are 11 inches wide. And that nosing is 1 inch typical. This is the handrail on the other side, and it makes a nice curve. How wide is this stair? Looks like we've got a dimension here of 3'9". Switching to the second detail, right here we have the second floor landing. And let me zoom in a little bit. We have, again, this is the wall section that is next to the stair. Here's the handrail. Here are the edges of the treads. They even handily label them for you, tread, tread, tread. And the hidden line indicates the risers below. This is the handrail coming around, in this case making a U shape. Let's switch to the section views. Here we have in sections 6 and 7 a slice through the stairway. Section 7 here is at the bottom of the stair. You can see that the stair comes down and rests on this concrete floor right here. So we are cutting through the risers and the treads. Riser, tread. Here's the nosing. The handrail is beyond our section cut, so it doesn't have this dark hatch on it. Down here, this line shows the stringer below the stair. These anchor bolts are connecting the stair to the concrete foundation below. Sliding over, this is a section in the same direction, but it's up at the top of the stair. So we see here's the stringer coming up. Here are risers and treads. Riser, tread. Okay. This is the structure of the second floor, right here. You can see that these joists have been tripled up for strength in this specific location. This piece right here is a hanger, so that the stair stringer is hanging on those joists, and that's how it's structurally connected. Beyond our section cut for the stair, you see the handrail. Now this last section here is cut in the opposite direction. So we're cutting through the stair in the other direction. Let's zoom in on the left-hand side here. This is the wall that we were seeing in the plan. This is the tread right there. Here is the stringers underneath the tread. Here's the next tread. So we'd step up and up and up. This is the side rail that we're seeing cut through here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So here you see the rail has been cut through, and then the part that's beyond our cut is what we're seeing coming up here, over and around. On this side, we are seeing the landing being cut through. So here's the floor structure below. This is a recessed can light, and this is your flooring.